Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video we have solved the third part of question number 1 of exercise number 1.6 by the Cramer's rule. Now we will solve the fourth part of question number 1 by the Cramer's rule. And the fourth part is 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 6. 5x minus 2y is equals to minus 10 by Cramer's rule. Now we will solve this. So we can write these equations in matrix form. We will get 3 minus 2 5 and minus 2 multiplied by variable which are involved in the equations x and y, and this will be equals to minus 6 and minus 10. Let this is equals to a of x is equals to b. Here a is equals to 3 minus 2 5 and minus 2, and b is equals to minus 6 and minus 10, and capital X is equals to small x and y. So first of all we find the determinant of a, and the determinant of a will be equals to 3 minus 2 5 and minus 2, and it will be equals to 3 into minus 2 minus minus 2 into 5, and this will be equals to minus 6 plus 10, which is equals to 4, and 4 can never be equals to 0. So the solution is possible. Now we will find the value of x, which is equals to determinant of a of x over determinant of a, and the value of y, which is equals to determinant of a of y over determinant of a. So first we find the a of x, the determinant of a of x, which is equals to minus 6 minus 10 minus 2 into minus 2, which are equal to, so it will be equals to minus 6 into minus 2 minus minus 2 into minus 10, and it will be equals to 12 minus 20, and this is equals to minus 8. Now we will find the determinant of a of y, which is equals to 3 5 minus 6 and minus 10. So the determinant of a of y will be equals to 3 into minus 10 minus minus 6 into 5. So it will be equals to minus 30 plus 30, and this is equals to 0. Now we find the value of x and y. So x is equals to determinant of a of x over determinant of a. Put the value of determinant of a of x, which is minus 8, and put the value of determinant of a, which is equals to 4. So which is equals to minus 2. So we can say that x is equals to minus 2. Now we will find the value of y, which is equals to determinant of a of y over determinant of a. So the determinant of a of y is equals to 0, and the value of determinant of a is 4. This is equals to 0. So y is equals to 0. Now we have the value of x and y. So the solution set is equals to the value of x and the value of y. These are equals to minus 2 and 0. So this is answer of fourth part of question number 1 by the Cramer's rule. We will solve